Today we're going to be looking at imports. In Plannr, you have the ability to validate, store and update data using our importers. To do this, go to the Imports section via the menu on the left-hand side. From here, you can see any previous imports you've carried out. Next, go to Add New at the top of the page. Here you can select which type of import you'd like to run. There are 8 options to choose from: business staff members, charges, clients, group scheme members, notes, plans, premiums and valuations. For this example, we'll use a client import to enrich our existing data. Once you have selected which import you want, you can download a sample CSV spreadsheet for you to input your data into. Once you've created the spreadsheet with your data on, you'll want to decide which method you want to use. There are 3 options. Validate, which is used to confirm there are no errors in your spreadsheet. Create, which is used to import new client data. And Update, which is used to change information on clients already in the system. We recommend using the Validate mode before trying to use Create or Update. We'll upload the file and press Proceed. On the next page, we're asked to map our data fields to Plannr's data fields. If you use the example CSV files, these will automatically match and you won't need to match any fields. You have the option here to use a previous mapping if you've uploaded data previously. You're also able to ignore fields should you not wish to import that data. You can either select Ignore Fields on the ones you don't want to import, or select Set All on Map to ignore all. Once all the fields are matched up, press Save and Progress. The system will then check your data and advise if it's ready to run. On step 3, select Proceed to begin with the import. The import process time will depend on how much data you're trying to import. However, you can leave the screen and come back to the Import tab at any time. You don't have to just sit and wait for it to proceed. A successful validation will come up as saying that the import proceeded with 0 errors. A failed import will state how many errors occurred during the import process, and there will be an accompanying failed import report. This will give you an error log on the second tab, and here you can see what part of the import is failing. Once you've successfully validated your data, you can delete the import file by clicking Delete in the top right-hand corner. After you've validated your data, you can then proceed with the relevant import you're trying to achieve, either create or update. The steps followed are the same as validating the data. And that's using the importers in Plannr.